Hello guys, in this series of browser automation using Python and Selenium, we have covered CSS selectors, ID, name, and class name. So today we are going to cover link text and partial link text. Okay, before that, let me give you a brief rewind of CSS selector. So the CSS selector, to use CSS selector, we need to use driver.findElement, and here we need to use CSS selector. And in this field we can pass anything like so suppose uh, there is a input field and it has these properties: values am, name is gender, type is radio, id is gender male. So we can pass any of these fields in here. Let me run this program. So you see browser is open, it's maximized. Now this form is going to be filled. Let me inspect this element. So you see this is an input field and there are a lot of attributes over here. ID is gender male, name is gender, type is radio, value is m. So we can use either of these properties over here. Let me use type is equals to radio. Okay. Or let's say name is equals to gender. Let us use this one. I will rerun the program. Let us see if it is working or not. So you see it is working. It selects this male, but we know that this is also a radio button. Okay, this property of female radio button, name is gender here. So we have two web elements with name gender. So in this case, when we have more than one element, it will return the first element. So in our case, the first element is this one, which corresponds to male. If we want to get the list of all elements with that property, then we can use find elements. Okay, this we will cover in the later videos. Let's first focus on the find element. So in the CSS selector property, we can use this one, this one, this one, and this one, any attribute corresponding to that input field. Now let's go back. I hope you understand the CSS selector. Now let's discuss about the link text. So link text is used by using this name, and we know that register is a link text in our web page. Run the program and show you. So you see this is register, login, shopping cart, wish list. So suppose if we want to click on register, then we need to change the code like this. This is capital R. And the code. Now it will click on register. You see it clicked on register. Now it is filling the form. In the similar fashion, we can click on login, shopping cart, wish list. Let me click on login here. Programmatically, we'll click. So log in. I think the spelling is like this. Let me run the program. Now it will click on login. You see, login is clicked. In the similar fashion, we can click any links, shopping cart, wish list, anything we can do. Let's click on. Should we click on wish list here? I think wish list 0. We change the code. Now we'll run the program again. Now it should click on wish list. So seems like wish list is nothing. It's empty. So I hope you understand the concept of link text. By using the link text, we can pass any links and made our program to click on that link. Now let's discuss about the name property. Okay, so let's change the code to register. We will use the name property. This is the one name. Okay, so let's run the code. Click on register, fill the form. Let me check the name property of this one. The name is first name. We can use that. So here we use name property, and here we'll pass first name and send keys. Let's pass first name 2. Run the program again. Let's see this name property will work or not. So you see it is working fine. Okay, so we have covered ID, name, class name, CSS selector, link text. Now let's talk about partial link text. Partial link text we can specify like this. Okay, so let's say REGI only. Okay, we'll run the program again. You see, we have used partial link text REGI and it clicked on register. So that's how we can use partial link text. In the similar fashion, we can click on wish list if we specify only wish list. Let me do that. wish list. Let's run the program. You see it has clicked on wish list now, and wish list is empty. So I hope you understand this partial link text. So far, we have covered these 6 ways to automate the browser. In our next videos, we will be using XPath and tag name to automate the browser using Python and Selenium. Stay tuned. We will see you in next video. And please guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.